Alright guys, welcome to another, hopefully fun unboxing, and let's see how this works out. Wow. They really take this well. Oh my goodness. My goodness. They did not want things to drop out of this package. Oh boy. Alright, here, oh my goodness. Still won't open. Wow, look at this. There's a bunch of awesome things coming out of this box. This boxy box. A whole bunch of batteries. They happen to be Tattu batteries. And so far, I've only used a couple of Tattu batteries and they were pretty good. So in the next video, I'm going to open these up and we'll see what's inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.